Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing Visual Studio Code again. Yeah. So we're going to do Python. This is Python. And make sure to like and subscribe and make sure to watch our other videos and share it to all of your friends and let's get started. So we're going to first do weather condition. Wet. No. There's supposed to be a space. Def weather underscore condition. Def weather underscore condition. Condition. I think that's how you spell condition. That's how you spell condition. And then this. And then this. No, that's wrong. Yes, this is the correct one. Okay, so now we're gonna do print. Do what? No! No! Oh, okay, cool. That's alright. It's nothing bad anymore. Okay. The weather is pleasant. Pleasant. No! What is going on? Pleasant. No! Why? Pleasant. In spring. Yeah. Boom. There we go. Boom. Bing. Spring. Yay. Yeah, it's actually nice. Spring is very nice. Spring is a really good weather. It's not too cold and it's not too hot. Yeah. In summer, too hot. When it was summer, yeah. It was too hot. It wasn't good in summer because the weather was so hot. And then half of the time it was raining. Well, not half of the time. It wasn't raining for super long and we wanted it to rain because I didn't want to be in that cold, hot for that long. And then it rained. And I was happy. But I hate rain. So, and then I wasn't happy. Well, actually, I was kind of happy. I don't know. But and then print. I don't know why I did that voice. Print. Boom. Print. The weather is same in autumn. I just hit my elbow, but the side. It hurts very much. And if you hit that side, you know how much hurt it does. I gotta go back to coding now. I can't just make y'all wait for so long. Weather is safe in but wow. Wait, it's not safe. Or Control Z rescues the day. I don't know. I know what I'm doing. I know that. I know what I'm doing. Yes, I definitely know what I'm doing because I should know what I'm doing and I know what I'm doing. So that's good. Why does that always happen? That annoys me way too much. Let's autumn. Autumn. Spring equals autumn. Spring. Spring. No, that's spring. Spring equals. No. Equals autumn. Autumn. No. Autumn. No. Autumn. That's better. Equals spring. So spring. No. So autumn. Yeah, it is spring equals autumn. Spring equals spring though. With our underscore condition. Wait. The underscore condition. Boom. And there we go. Yes. Okay. Huh? What? Huh? I'm so confused. What? Why is it not working? There's no problems. What? It's just not working. No, there's something wrong. I'm gonna try to see what's wrong. I'm gonna see what's wrong. What's wrong? I'm gonna see what's wrong. Okay, so I fixed it. Yay. Yeah, I fixed it. Oh, I think I fixed it. Yes. Yes. I did it. Yay. Yeah. It worked. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video now. And make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to share to all of your friends. And yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I was gonna say that. Watch my other videos. Yeah, do that. Yeah, do that. It's really good. And tell all of your friends to subscribe. Yeah, and like. Yeah. Bye.